So when we upgraded Maximizer to an online version, one of the things that we struggled with was the volume of information we were receiving from our mailing partner, Digital. And prior to it going online, we still used a macro-enabled spreadsheet to update all of that information. Part of the problem around that was that it relied on somebody having enough time to upload that information, and with it being one spreadsheet at a time, often 5,000-6,000 people in a spreadsheet, it would take a number of hours for each of those to be fully updated into Maximizer. And so when we moved to the online version, one of the first things we wanted to do was remove the need for that to be done on a regular basis, partly so that we could free up the time that we'd spend within the business trying to get those uploaded, but also to remove the human error from it. One of the biggest things we found was that it worked perfectly up until somebody was off sick or took a day's holiday, and therefore it never got done. And so we had a lot of gaps with our email marketing and how effective it was, who opened things, who didn't, and so we wanted to try and automate as much of that as we could. And one of the bonuses of onboarding onto the online version was that one of the first things Avrion had mentioned to us was that they were able to create those bespoke integrations with lesser known partners that wouldn't necessarily be done centrally through Maximizer, and so we were able to integrate that, and within a matter of months we were able to see everything from who opened our emails to who clicked through on links, and ultimately who replied. And so we were able to then start to tailor our marketing quite significantly in ways that just were not possible prior to that integration.